Hello, today we're going to make the fourth cookie in our Christmas star set, the elf. Start by scratching out some guidelines for the hat and the face using a scribe or a toothpick. Then outline the face and fill it in using a skin-toned icing in a 15-second consistency. You can use a scribe or a toothpick to help smooth it down or pop any air bubbles. Let that dry for at least 10 minutes before doing the next part. Using green icing in a 15-second consistency, outline and flood in the hat. Using a lighter green icing in the same consistency, immediately put dots right into the darker green icing. This is a wet-on-wet technique, and because I like to use 15-second icing, I have to poke at some of the dots to get them to lie flat. Now outline and fill in the bottom two parts of the star, leaving two triangles for the jingle bell collar. Do the same on the other side. Then let the cookie dry at least 6 hours or overnight. I'm going to paint in some hair with an edible ink marker in brown. First I'm going to draw where I want the hair to be, and then I'm going to take off the lid to the other side of the pin and color it in. I'll leave a link to the products I used in the description. Using yellow icing in a 15-second consistency, outline and then pipe in the triangles for the brim of the elf's hat. You can use a scribe or a toothpick to do any shaping if your triangles aren't quite the way you want them. Then pipe in some bells in the corners. And fill in the triangles on the corners at the bottom, again using your scribe to shape them. And put a nose right in the middle. Using gold edible paint, paint the bells at the top of the hat. And I realized I forgot to put the bells on the collar, so pipe those in now and let them dry. Using black edible paint, paint in some eyes. And once the yellow balls have dried on the collar, paint those gold as well. Then using black, make an X on each bell so it looks like a bell. And our Santa's helper is done. Stay tuned to the channel to watch the final cookie in the series, the snowman. Thanks for watching and happy holidays.